effort to the salt is amazing. There's no browning of chops, there's no sautéing of onions. The chops go in a dish, pour the sauce over, in the fridge to marinate for a little while, and then in the oven, and then dinner's on the table. And my mum and dad, who have had it twice since they've been here the last 2 weeks, say
it's the best gravy I've ever tasted.
Delicious.
And is that true, or are you just saying that for this video?
No,
I mean, told him to.
because it's there's a lot of people.
And Mike reckons
It's like Sauerbraten.
it uses lamb forequarter chops, which are inexpensive to buy, and most of the other ingredients you may have in your pantry already. My name's Lee. This is my mum and dad. Welcome to this video. Take 5 or 6 big lamb forequarter chops, about 1.2 kilos. Trim off any excess fat and discard, and then place the chops into a ceramic baking dish. In a bowl, place 4 tablespoons of plain flour, 1 tablespoon of veggie stock powder, 2 teaspoons of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of cracked black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of prepared mustard, and I use Dijon, but any mustard will work, 4 tablespoons of white vinegar, 2 cups of water, and lastly 4 tablespoons of tomato sauce, aka tomato ketchup, and you could also substitute with barbecue sauce instead. Mix thoroughly with a whisk until most of the lumps disappear. Feel free to add garlic to the mix, sometimes I do, and also if you like a bit of rosemary, throw in ½ teaspoon of dried rosemary. Pour this mixture all over the chops and press down so most of the chops are submerged. Cover with a sheet of aluminium foil and place in the fridge for a minimum of an hour or even overnight. I've left them in the fridge for 2 days before. I made this early in the morning before I went to work. Remove from the fridge, cover with another layer of aluminium foil so it's sealed tightly. Place in a preheated oven of 180 degrees Celsius fan force, which is 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for 1 hour and 45 minutes. Remove the foil, increase the heat to 200 degrees Celsius, which is 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and cook for a further 10 to 15 minutes until the top layer of the chops are golden brown. Remove from the oven and you can serve directly out of the dish. However, I transferred the chops to another dish, hoping to get a better picture for my thumbnail. However, brown food doesn't photograph that well. Serve with rice, noodles, or boiled potatoes and steamed veggies like I did today, and that's done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as we do. Hopefully I'll see you again soon.
Keep on smiling.
When you're smiling,
When you're smiling,
the whole world smiles with you. Oh, when you're laughing, when you're laughing, the
the whole
sun
world
will
shines through.